Today, we're diving into the world of servers. I know what you might be thinking, servers. Aren't those just big, mysterious boxes that store data? You're not wrong, but there's a lot more to it. As an experienced DevOps engineer, I get asked about servers all the time, what they are, how they work, and why we even need them. So, I thought it would be awesome to break it down for you in a way that's super easy to understand, even if you're completely new to tech. This is like the Servers 101 crash course you wish you had. We're gonna cover the different types of servers, what makes them unique, and how they actually power the experiences we rely on every single day. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about web servers. These guys are like the librarians of the internet. They're the ones who make sure you can actually access and enjoy all the awesome websites out there. Imagine you go to your favorite online store. You type in the website address, hit enter, and boom. The web page loads up with all the product images, descriptions, and that add to cart button we all know and love. Well, behind the scenes, a web server is working tirelessly to make that happen. It's basically a powerful computer that stores all the website's files, the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything. And when you request a web page, the web server jumps into action, locates those files, bundles them up neatly, and sends them over to your browser. It's like a super fast delivery service, making sure you get the content you want, exactly how it's supposed to look. And get this, popular websites often use multiple web servers working together. It's like having a whole team of librarians, so even if one server gets slammed with requests, the others can pick up the slack and keep things running smoothly. That's how websites can handle millions of users without breaking a sweat. Next, let's talk about database servers, the ultimate data organizers. These servers are like giant, super efficient filing cabinets for the digital age. Think about all the information websites and apps need to keep track of. User accounts, product catalogs, order histories, you name it. It's a massive amount of data, and that's where database servers come in. They store all this information in a structured way, making it easy to access, manage, and update. Imagine trying to find a single document in a room full of randomly scattered papers. That's what it would be like without database servers. They bring order to the chaos, making sure everything has its place and can be retrieved quickly and efficiently. And just like web servers, popular websites and applications often use multiple database servers working together to handle massive amounts of data and user requests. It's all about speed, efficiency, and making sure you can access the information you need exactly when you need it. Chapter 3. File servers, your digital storage room in the cloud. Now let's talk about file servers, your digital storage rooms in the cloud. These are the workhorses of any network, allowing multiple users to access and share files from a central location. Think about all the documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and media files that businesses and individuals work with on a daily basis. File servers provide a secure and organized way to store all of that data, making it easily accessible from different computers and devices. It's like having a giant shared drive that everyone can tap into, no matter where they are. And the best part is, file servers offer features like version control and backups, so you never have to worry about losing your important files. They're also super customizable, so you can set up different access permissions for different users, ensuring that sensitive information stays secure. Whether you're collaborating on a project with teammates or just need a safe place to store your family photos, file servers have got you covered. Chapter 4. Mail servers, the unsung heroes of communication. Okay, let's move on to mail servers, the unsung heroes of digital communication. These servers are like the post offices of the internet, responsible for ensuring your emails reach their destination safely and securely. Every time you hit send on an email, a mail server swings into action, taking your message and routing it through the vast network of servers that make up the internet. Think of it like a relay race. Your email gets passed from one server to another until it finally reaches the inbox of the recipient. And it's not just about sending emails. Mail servers also handle the receiving and storing of your messages. So the next time you check your inbox and see a bunch of new emails waiting for you, you can thank a mail server for doing its job. They work tirelessly behind the scenes, 24/7, making sure our inboxes stay connected and our digital conversations keep flowing. Chapter 5. Game servers, powering multiplayer experiences. Last but definitely not least, we've got game servers, the powerhouses behind your favorite multiplayer games. These servers are like virtual arenas where players from all over the world can connect and battle it out in real time. Whether you're into first-person shooters, massive online role-playing games, or anything in between, a game server is what makes the magic happen. It acts as a central hub, managing all the game's data, processing player actions, and ensuring everyone is playing by the rules. Imagine trying to play a fast-paced shooter game with lag. It would be nearly impossible to enjoy. Game servers are designed to handle the intense demands of online gaming, providing a smooth and responsive experience for everyone involved. They're constantly crunching numbers, relaying information, and keeping everything in sync so you can focus on what really matters, dominating the competition. And there you have it. Those are the different types of servers explained in a way that's easy to understand. From web servers delivering your favorite websites to game servers powering your epic gaming sessions, these powerful machines are the backbone of the internet and beyond. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. I'm always diving into new tech topics, so let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to check out the graphics for a quick summary. Thanks for watching.